Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be setting up a student teacher planner. I found this stuff at Michael's. I also found this deluxe cover. It was 90% off at $3.49, so be on the lookout for that video. And this teacher stuff I found, I looked up as well. This teacher extension pack was a regular $9.99 marked down to $1. And here is all that is inside. And then I found this teacher kit. It's a 2017-2018 12-month dated planner. And it was $4. Now, when I originally bought this, I did not know that it was for 2017 to 2018. But for what I'm using this for, the dates don't matter. So let's jump right in. And this was a regular $40, this kit. Now, I did not get lucky enough to find the teacher's kits for this past school year, 2019-2020, when they were putting those out. I wasn't fortunate enough to find those because those were marked down to 20 cents. My store didn't have those. I don't know where those went, but this one I found in the clearance section. And with stickers, I can cover things up with no problem. And I'm going to get more into detail of what's not only in here, but what I plan to use this for. Okay, now that I have everything opened, I'm now going to separate what I'm not going to be using. So from the planner itself, this is August and September. It also had this planner here, the academic calendar, and then reference notes for substitutes and things like that. And then for those that don't know what the teacher planner looks like, it is this, where you can put the subjects, and then you have Monday through Friday over here. Now, people also use this for like a catch-all planner where they then put the dates up here and then their categories over here. But I just went ahead and took out August and September since we are past that. Depending on how this goes, I may end up and go back and add in September based on her curriculum that she's doing for math. The little girl that I babysit is what this is for. One of the big things that she always has homework with is math, and I'm trying to find ways to keep up with all of the concepts and things that she's learning in a fun, engaging way. And I think that having it all inside of here for her to reference along with her textbook and the videos that we watch will be helpful. So that is why I bought it in the first place. Now, for the extension pack here, there are stickers, which late start, testing, library, computer lab, blah, blah, blah. So some of these I can use. Some of them I won't. There's also 2 folders. Teachers have class. But honestly, if I were to just cover this up with a sticker, I could use that. Then there's the classroom events and volunteers. Then there's the grade book one, which I honestly don't mind this. This one might actually be good for like a tracker. Like, did you get your homework done? So we will see down the line if that ends up getting used. But that's 20 sheets of that, and then it's 20 sheets of notes paper, which is one of the main reasons I bought this, because I can write down all of the concepts and strategies that she's working on this paper. And the thing about the Big Happy Planner, if you guys do not know, well, the thing about the teacher planner is that it is a big happy planner. So this one on the cover says, I am a book reading, line leading, multitasking, question asking, always testing, never resting, seat arranging, life-changing teacher. I honestly don't mind the cover. I think that is cute. So I'm going to leave that. And then here on the inside, we start with October. And as you can see, this is the divider. It's the same as the cover. And I'll show you for November. Teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. Then December, everyone deserves the chance to fly. And we have January, which is the same as the cover. One of the things that I have never been a fan of with the Happy Planner is a divider being the same as the cover. I don't know, just a personal thing. I teach because I care. March, look for the good. April, with the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. Then there is May. And then there is June. Students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. John C. Maxwell. And then this last one that says July. June is a work of heart. I'm actually going to be taking this one out because her school year ends in June, so it just does not apply. So that's coming out. And then here's that checklist that I mentioned, which again will probably be used as a tracker. But for now, I don't need it. I don't need it. And I already have a folder inside of here. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the notes paper now. And I will say that turning the paper on these discs is a little annoying. But I'll make it work. Okay. And then some more paper. So again, this is 20 sheets. And if I need to move this in between a particular week, I will do that as well. But I just always leave filler paper in the back of the planner. And then we have these extra folders. And also in that kit were these sticky notes, which I think are super cute. So I actually will include those. And then these stickers here, there's no school, report cards, in-service, conferences, progress reports, professional development, and then half day, start of fall break, start of winter break, and whatever. So picture day, first day of school, then plans for subs. So yeah, that I probably will be giving away. And then also it came with this highlighter, which I am going to be using, even though I prefer yellow highlighters. And then this super cute clip, which is actually going to be going into my, it's going to be going into my classic Happy Planner because it matches the cover. So another thing I'm thinking of doing here is I'm probably just going to take a piece of white computer paper and just tape it and have that be extra notes paper. And then we're gonna flip back to October, where we are now. So I could easily redate this. Just not sure if I want to take the time to even do that. Oh, this is actually undated. I thought this was dated. Did it say that on the box? Let me look at the box again. Oh, that's actually really cool then. This whole time I thought it was dated. I'm looking for that piece that was in the box. Oh wait, maybe it's here. Yeah, it looks like it's all undated. Okay, cool. Which works even better, which means that I could start now with her. And so say this was the week of, this would be the week of, say 9:30. So 9:30, 10:01, 10:02, 10:03, 10:04, 10:05, 10:06, 10:07, 10:08, 10:09. Well, you know what I'm saying. I'm like skipping the weekends. But this week where we started would be 10:14, 10:14, 10:15, 10:16, 10:17, 10:18. And then at the top where it says subjects, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to put there. But I do like that this is undated. The calendar is dated, but this portion here is undated, which is cool. So ideas I have on this is that I'm going to set this up to where she can do the problem in the boxes, or we can just write down all of the strategies, like even to cover this portion up with stickers, and to have like the commutative property, associative property, multiplication, division, stuff like that. So that's an option. So I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit. Okay, so here is what I was able to do with the spread. The standard spread, as you guys saw, looks like, I'll have to flip to the November section. It looks like this, how you have the days of the week and then the subjects and stuff over there. So how I was able to modify this for a 4th grader's math is to put the properties that she's working on over here. These are the rules for all of them. And then across I have examples. So for instance, for the associative property, I just wrote the basic rule. I put an example, and then I also added hints for when we're reviewing for her to start to ingrain those in her brain. And then over here I put another example, and then there's space for another. Same thing with the others going down. Then I decided to make the other 2 spreads inside of here for the lessons within the chapter. So these are just the basic properties that she's working on, and then this is going lesson by lesson. So there was space to put 5 here, and I just took some of the word problems and added more hints and highlighted those. And then the other lessons that we have to get to. And then over here, I'm going to put the last 2 lessons of the chapter on the note paper. I was using regular packaging tape to tape some of these pages together, but my handy dandy double stick tape is what I will be using going forward. I just used what they had at their house, but if you guys don't have double stick tape, washi tape works just as fine. But that is how I plan on using this, and I think it's going to come in really, really handy when it's time for the study guide. And if I have any updates, well, study time for the chapter test that she takes at the end of each one. Also, I might add in some writing stuff as well, as she's starting to get more writing homework, but I decided to solely focus this on math, since that's the homework she gets every night, and we'll both have a central location. And plus, when her parents are home, they can see this and go over what it is that we've been doing for homework. So that is what I came up with. That is it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions down in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, where I'll have links to products featured or related items in this case, as well as related videos, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!